Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Amazon EMBER 43-inch 4 series with Fire TV, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of using old TVs that feel like they're stuck in the past? With all the streaming services out there, we need a TV that can keep up with our busy lives. That's where the Amazon EMBER 43-inch 4 series with Fire TV comes in. This latest model promises to upgrade your entertainment experience and make it easy to find what you love. This is for anyone who wants a new TV that's not only sleek and modern but also packed with features that'll make their viewing experience even better. We're looking at how the Amazon EMBER 43-inch 4 series performs in real-life scenarios, whether it's with friends and family or on its own during those quiet nights in. The thing is, we've all been there, scrolling through streaming services, trying to decide what to watch next. The Amazon EMBER 43-inch 4 series takes that hassle away with its intuitive Alexa remote and fast processor. It's like having your own personal butler at your fingertips, making it easy to find and start watching your favorite shows or movies. One of the standout features for me is the instant-on technology. Essentially, it wakes up the display when you enter the room, so you can instantly jump into what you love. And with the new quad-core processor and Wi-Fi 6 support, everything opens and loads fast, so you don't have to wait around for buffering or anything like that. But what really gets me excited about this TV is its picture quality. With 4K Ultra HD and HDR10+, you get vivid views that are both bright and clear, even in dark scenes. The enhanced brightness makes all the difference. It's like having a personal cinema at home. And when it comes to audio, Dolby Audio takes center stage, delivering an immersive experience that'll make you feel like you're right there in the action. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about getting this TV for your own home. If so, here's the thing, is it worth it? Well, let me tell you, according to over 1,000 reviews, the answer is a resounding yes. People love how fast the apps open and load, making it easy to dive into what they love. And with hundreds of thousands of movies and TV episodes at your fingertips, there's always something new to discover. Of course, like any product, there are some downsides. Some customers have mentioned that the initial setup process can be a bit overwhelming, but honestly, it's not that bad. And once you get used to navigating the menus and settings, it becomes second nature. All in all, I'd say the Amazon EMBER 43-inch 4 series with Fire TV is a top-notch choice for anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment experience. It's got everything you need: fast performance, great picture quality, and intuitive controls that make it easy to use. So if this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.